Got another one-piece statue figurine for you, this time from the Portrait of Pirates Maximum. Warriors Alliance Maximum. We got Yamato showing. Quick, just so y'all can see the box. Okay, again, this is way bigger. I really need to pay attention to sizes when I buy things. I bought this on Crunchyroll. It was the same sale as the Zoro one, and like all of them, it is normally, it's like in the 200s, close to 300s, but got a nice sale price for it, like 120-ish. I'll find tape. I will find it. Even though I find it, I will cut it. Alright, we're gonna weigh it down. It's cooked on. Oh my goodness. There's like a flipping staple thing holding this together. Do you see this? Do you see it? Like, what the heck? We got cutting pliers. Isn't gonna make one bit of difference. And now I discovered there's one down here. Yeah, do not recommend trying to open this without cutting pliers. Or something else that cuts flimsy wire. Oh, it's to hold it down. But meanwhile, this flew out. Whatever that even is. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. Okay, so here we have the Yamato figure. It's got a cool, like, molten rock base. Her hair's flying all over. She's got her big samurai bow tie. Some considerable side boob, pointy horns, and even your typical samurai undies, because I know you were curious. Okay, this is the mace. It's, for some reason, colored. See that? Like there's like a gold tinge. Okay, so this comes off the end. Oh, this is like a placeholder. Woo! There that goes, right? Alright, so this is pointing down, so we're gonna shove that in there. And this is gonna go there. Or it's not. There we go. Yeah, I don't know what these are for, because that's the figure right there.